Good afternoon, Gil here from the TRT and Hormone Optimization Group. As you all may know, myself and Stephen Devos and all of the other moderators and many providers in our group have spent close to a decade now trying to help and educate men on hormone replacement therapy, proper protocols, proper science, and how to achieve optimal results. We've all done this essentially on our own time, just for the sake of trying to improve the industry and improve men's health overall. And unfortunately, yesterday, Facebook decided that our group violated some policies. They won't tell us which policies, but they went ahead and they shut the group down with no warning. We appealed it and they denied our appeal, claiming that we are in violation of their guidelines. Again, we don't know what was done wrong. I personally have been very adamant over the years at preventing specific discussions related to anabolic steroid use or other illicit drugs because I feared that that would be looked on negatively by the regulatory divisions of whatever social media platforms are out there. And I don't know if that was the case. We don't know what happened. We do know that the group is currently shut down or suspended. What we did is we went ahead, because we've had a lot of people reach out asking where the group went, thinking maybe they were banned, which was not the case. So we went ahead and we started from scratch. We had about almost 18,000 active members in the group. And we went ahead and we started a new one today from scratch because we feel that there's still a lot of people out there that need the help. So we encourage you to click the link here in the description and join the new group. Yes, it's a lot of work. Yes, we're in for the run to do this again and to try to help as many people as we can. So we encourage you, click the link, join the new group, share it with your friends, bring anyone you know who may be interested in the topic or perhaps was in the previous group over to the new group. And we'll just keep it going as we always have. Thanks, and we'll see you on the other side.